72 hours ahead of the national executive meeting of the Bharatiya Janata Party in Goa, major fissures emerge within the BJP. Senior party leader L.K. Advani pitched Shivraj Singh Chauhan against Narendra Modi earlier in the week, claiming that Chauhan's achievement in his state are higher than Modi, even as the Congress openly claimed that a civil war has broken out in the BJP rank, but the BJP is downplaying the rift.
Ahead of the BJP National Executive, there seems to be a rift that is brewing within the BJP. Captain Abhimanyu, we've heard what L.K. Advani says. How do you read his statement? He has praised Shivraj Singh Chauhan, but at the same time saying that it was almost like a platter that Gujarat Chief Minister had. So he only, he already had a progressive state. As far as Madhya Pradesh is concerned, he has turned a Bimaru state into a fully developed state. Is that a jibe on Mr. Narendra Modi?
Not at all. I assure you that you don't need to read between the lines what Mr. L.K. Advani has said. Bharatiya Janata Party and NDA, we feel immense proud and pleasure to be led by a leader of the stature of Shri Lal Krishna Advani, who has such high standards of administration and governance in his mind, and it is very encouraging for the workers of Bharatiya Janata Party that he has expressed satisfaction and contentment on the governance provided by Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan in Madhya Pradesh, while saying that he has led from the front and he has improved the state of Madhya Pradesh from being a Bimaru state to a healthy state now. And at the same time, he has also praised Shri Narendra Modi that he had the privilege of having Gujarat state, which was already healthy, but he took it to new heights. He made it from being a healthy state to a prosperous state. So it's a day of elation and happiness and satisfaction and contentment for the BJP workers that Shriman Lal Krishna Advani, with such high standards in his own, his benchmarks had always been very high with respect to the governance, that he feels contented with the work of these leaders of Bharatiya Janata Party today.